Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to create one of the most healthy and delicious recipe, that is Chinese restaurant style chicken with mixed vegetable. So if you're new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to like my this video. So without any further delay, let's straight into the video. Now I'm going to start to frying all four different kinds of steamed vegetable within 100 ml of sunflower oil. As a vegetable here, I did use cauliflower 1.5 cup, cabbage 2 cup, broccoli 1 cup and carrots 1 cup. Now I'm going to add the fried 2 breast chicken pieces within this vegetable, and I just fry this breast chicken just only in oil. Even I didn't add any salt over there. Now I'm going to start to frying all the vegetables and the chicken. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and start to frying everything together. Then 2 teaspoons of table salt, then start to fry all the vegetables and chickens all together. I just keep in the heat just in medium heat and didn't add any extra water. So I have to cook this vegetable and chicken for about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to add the 3 different colors of capsicum and also the spring onion. And adding all the capsicums over my frying vegetable and mix together properly. Now still I'm keeping the temperature in medium heat and I didn't add still any water. So I don't need to cook it for a long time because I already steamed the vegetable for about 5 minutes in hot water. So now I need to create the gravy consistency. Here I took 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Now I'm going to create a mixture of corn flour with the water. And as a water here, today I'm going to take normal water and I'm going to add half cup of normal water within 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Now I'm going to making a mixture of the corn flour and water. This corn flour mixture will give the consistency of my vegetable and it will give the thick consistency just like a Chinese restaurant vegetable. Now my mixture is almost ready. Now I'm going to add the corn flour consistent to make the consistency and mix it properly all together. I have to continue the stirring process, otherwise it will be coagulate and it will not be mixed properly. Now I'm also keeping the temperature in lower heat. And I have to cook it for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is the final look of the vegetable. It's now become thick in consistency and a little bits of liquid because from the vegetable there is also some extra water is coming out. I already cooked this process in low heat of temperature. I didn't add any extra water still yet. Now I'm going to add some sugar. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar to give a little bits of sweetest taste of the vegetable. Then I'm going to mix the sugar with my vegetable properly and I have to cook it for another 1 minute to melt the sugar within the vegetable. Always keep in mind, this is a very important tips. Whenever we are going to add the sugar, the vegetable need to cook at least 80%. So this is the last stage of the vegetable before stopping the flame to add the sugar. And we need to always keep in mind, this is very important tips. If we add the vegetable before that, the vegetable will not cook properly. And now this is like a very thick in consistency but not in sticky. This is the gravy consistency. So my vegetable cooking is almost done. In the whole process, I also cook in low heat of temperature after adding the corn flour. After cooking, this is the look of my vegetable. I just garnish it with some red capsicum and green spring onion. So please try to make this recipe at home, and this is very easy and healthy recipe, and I hope that everyone will like and enjoy this recipe. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.